My people, today June 19, not be ordinary day, now World Sickle Cell Day. Don't ever hear about sickle cell before? If you never hear, no wahala. Now why we dey here today to open your eyes small and talk wetin dey really happen for people when they live with sickle cell. May una stay tuned. My name na Dr. Toyin. You see, sickle cell na blood condition when person dey born with. They catch person like malaria or cough, but now from mama and papa body e dey enter pikin. Normal red blood cell dey round and soft, so e go fit waka for the body well inside the blood vessel. But for person when get sickle cell, the blood cell dey like sea, like moon. So the blood not dey waka well and e fit block blood vessel. So because of that, the people go fit get pain, go dey tire, then go get swelling, infection, and sometimes then go even get organ failure. People when get am, they enter hospital steady. But make we not lie, people when get sickle cell, they strong, well, then be real life warriors. But how you go fit get this sickle cell? Make I tell you. Now I tell you before, saying that from mama and papa. Now waiting that they call hereditary disease. Everybody get genotype. And the common ones now, 1, AA. That one not carry sickle cell at all. 2, AS. You be carrier. You not dey sick, but you fit pass am. 3, SS. This one you get sickle cell. 4, you get other ones like AC, SS, when you fit still get wahala with them. So now, if one person when be AS, can't go marry another AS, then fit born pikin when be SS, and that one na full-blown sickle cell. So most of these things now either 50% chance or 25% chance for each pikin when you go fit get this thing. So for example, if AA and AA marry, all the pikin go be AA, they no get problem. If AA come marry AS, some pikin fit be AA, some fit be AS. If AS come marry AS, some pikin fit be AA, some fit be AS, some fit be SS. If AS come marry SS, some pikin fit be AS, some fit be SS. But if SS come marry SS, all the pikin go be SS. Now, why is it important? Make you check your genotype before you marry. You see, love sweet, but make love not go turn to pain because of your pikin. If you never test your genotype, I bet go do am today. They cost plenty. Now, small blood, now then go collect, and you go get the result sharp. Not say you love person, so tell you forget to check whether you get this thing. If you now both be AS or SS, I beg, may not sit down, talk and well. Ask doctor and counselor, may them guide you well. You see, this sickle cell, it not mean saying a death sentence. Like I talked before, them be strong people. So today, make you show your support, make you wear red, make you visit hospital, support people when get sickle cell. If you feel give them money, I beg, do am today. So as you don't hear am now, not just waka pass, make sure say you share this video. If you want talk about this SS or you get person when you help with SS, I beg, yarn us for comment section. Just say you subscribe to my channel because it day free. And until next time, smile because it day healthy. And make sure say you support sickle cell person today. Bye-bye.